Hi, thanks so much for joining us again. We're at with the book of Explorational Journeys Self-Help Guide, Part 1. We're continuing on with I Realize I Was Enough themes in the book, and we're embracing vulnerabilities. So with activity 4 is self-compassion practice. Goal: replace self-criticism with self-kindness. Steps: think about a recent mistake or challenge and write down the critical thoughts that arise. Step 2: write these thoughts with a compassionate perspective. For example, it is okay to make mistakes. They are part of learning. Step 3: practice speaking kindly to yourself the next time self-criticism arises. Reflection: how does practicing self-compassion help you feel more at peace with yourself? So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and I hope to hear from you in your next video. Bye.